Today we are going to play a game in which Suryansh will ask you question and everyone has to answer and 1 marks for one question. Okay, and the topic is atoms and molecules. Yes,
Okay. So first question is there. How many law of chemical combinations are there total? In
Total two.
Yes, correct.
Law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion.
excellent,
Okay.
good.
You tell about law of conservation of mass.
Law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed
Okay,
in
correct.
chemical reaction.
Correct.
Add number.
So now you tell the second law. Constant proportion. Law of constant proportions.
No problem. 0 marks.
Now pass to this.
Law of constant proportion says that mass remains constant during the reaction.
Mass remains constant. Okay. Chalo, we'll take it.
Okay. So now tell about Anukul. Tell about the total number of postulates given by Dalton according to the
6.
book. Yes, correct.
You've seen that?
Yes.
Good.
Now you tell about any two
Okay.
postulates.
Atom is the tiny particles and it is called building blocks of substance. And atom. One is
No, half marks. Yes.
You tell anyone.
Shall we take one per one? One, give one. No,
Can you reframe the first one? He said it was not fully correct.
what he said,
फिर से एक बार repeat it.
you can speak.
I-
नहीं. Yes.
Repeat कर उसको जो तूने.
What you said.
Atom is made up of substance is made up of tiny particle which is called atom.
Now he is correct.
No, is right.
Now you tell any other.
Any other postulate? No. Pass. 0. Next.
Atom is the fundamental unit.
वही था उसका same.
That was same only. No. 0. Next question.
You won't tell anyone.
Yes, you are also there. No.
चलो I will
0.
ask you that.
No,
नहीं, वो तो
0.
past question
No,
was
pass. No, still they'll get that same. 0 marks. Okay, give him 0. Okay. How many questions have been asked?
2.
2. So 2. After completion of 2, you got
1.
1. And you got
2.
2. You got
0. 0.
0.
0.
1.
1. Okay.
Okay. So what?
Nee,
is-
3 questions have been asked. 3. Because that question has been asked.
this
So you
is
got
third
2.
one.
So you got 2. Yes.
Tell me about the radius of an atom.
Radius of an atom.
It is mentioned, no? Yes. It is in value. No. Yes.
10 raised to minus
9 what?
9 meter.
Be precise, okay? 10 raised to 9 is minus 9 meter.
Correct.
What 10 raised to minus 9 meter is equal to? What is it?
Say it is nanometer.
Yes.
1 nanometer. Properly bolo, don't net say nanometer. Yes, correct.
Okay. So, which is the first element in the periodic table?
Hydrogen.
Okay.
Good question.
Now, hydrogen. What is the atomic number of hydrogen?
Atomic number of hydrogen is 1.
Atomic mass of hydrogen?
1.
Correct. Now tell me about the
Your atomic number you are talking now, you just cover it atomic number for everyone.
okay.
30.
Tell me the atomic number of oxygen.
8.
ठीक है, correct. Atomic mass of oxygen.
It is there in the book now? Mass.
Yes.
Out.
The atomic mass of oxygen is 16.
Okay, correct.
Okay. Add karte your number. Keep adding.
In the calculation of atomic masses, which atom is taken as the reference value.
That is
Atomic mass one we take as a reference value. Done? No.
So 2, 8.
reference value 3 and
No, no, no. no.
Not the
We
atom,
take we
element,
compare it with someone. Yes.
elements name.
K element.
No, no, that is not there. Okay, chalo. This is question is there. It is carbon.
Carbon
It has been
12
asked.
Isotope.
Yes. Now your question.
Okay. So, mm,
We compare mass with the carbon isotope. Okay, C12. Isotope है ना?
yes.
What is isotope?
it is in fourth chapter.
It's not in this chapter. Okay.
Tell me about what is the chemical formula for oxygen?
Chemical formula of oxygen.
Yes.
O2.
Yes. Chemical formula for ozone.
O3.
Okay, correct. Now, what is a molecule?
A molecule is a substance which allows that the
No, not proper. You know?
molecule. Okay. So molecule is made up of 2 or more element.
Atoms we can
Atoms.
say. Atom. ठीक है, correct. What is atomicity?
You give marks. But when I'm passing, you understood that you have to add marks.
Atomicity.
Atomicity.
It's very common. I said about hydrogen. Atomicity of hydrogen is this. I told also, question also was. Yes, what is atomicity? Bata, Suryansh, what is atomicity?
The number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as.
ये combining capacity also.
combining capacity of an atom.
हाँ. Okay, na? But what is now over? Yes, his question.
Combining capacity valency नहीं होती.
What is atomicity?
Combining capacity of valency.
Valency.
What is atom? From other definition.
Atomicity होती है एक एलिमेंट में कितने एटम्स हैं बस. What is the atomicity of KMnO4? KMnO4.
हाइड्रोजन की atomicity कितनी है? 2.
हाइड्रोजन की हाँ 2 है.
It is. चलो मैं बताऊंगा. Yes, next question.
I asked atomicity of KMnO4. Total number of atom कितने हैं KMnO4 में? गिन लेना. 4 कैसे हो?
बता, tell me. What is the formula potassium carbonate? KMnO4.
Chemical.
इन्हें तो बोल ही दिया.
फॉर्मूला ही बोला डायरेक्ट.
चलिए वेट. 0 लगा इसके. 0 लगाते जाओ. Next.
सेम क्वेश्चन.
KMnO4 potassium
हाँ 1.
Potassium is 1.
1
Manganese Mn
Km
is single.
yes
Oxygen is 4.
4
Okay. K is 1. Mn manganese single atom. Oxygen 4. So total atom 6. Although he said 6.
4 is it 4?
4 na? Achha, he said 4. That was wrong. 6 atoms are there. जैसे ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल है ना 2 एटम. यस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
this question is done.
Okay. What is, if you know about noble gases, you know what are noble gases?
Yes, I have shown also the periodic table. Noble gases. You know what is the noble gases? बोला हुआ I have shown the periodic table. Yes, you.
Noble gases. So noble gases.
चल do you explain. पता है? You tell. Okay, try it.
So in which left side in periodic table there are known metals.
It is the last.
Last.
Actually, it is there. But what is the special?
They are basically they are gases and their outer shell is filled. They don't need any atom or element to their valency. Well, their valency is filled.
Like
They are
oxygen.
stable.
Not oxygen.
Oxygen नहीं. Argon is there.
Argon, helium, argon, krypton. The last side it is there. When you table them, that is the right side. That is why when you are in the free in the recess, you can see that. Okay.
So we have to add this number of minutes.
No.
My manat question.
Okay, so oxygen. What is the atomicity of oxygen? It is 2. What we call it? Like monatomic, diatomic, polyatomic, tetratomic.
Diatomic.
Yes.
Because 2 it. Okay.
And phosphorus.
Atomicity of phosphorus. Atomicity of phosphorus. I asked you also. Test also was there. No.
उसको किस स्टेप मतलब किस उसमें पाया जाता है वो?
ऐसे बता दो. Who knows atomicity of phosphorus? बता दे खुद ही इनको.
P4 होता है वो, उसको P4 में पाया
So
जाता
atomicity is
है. 4.
Four.
And it is known as tetraatomic.
after this completion. How many marks are there?
Sir, after this, Baljinder got 4.
And you?
Manit 6.
Manoj 6?
6 3.
3?
Kunal 2.
My two.
2 only.
Uncle.
Anukalp?
I said 3 right. I am.
3.
2 only.
2 right. No problem. 1 marks hardly matters. And what about Anukalp?
Uncle 4.
4. Presently he is leading.
Baljinder also.
Baljinder also 4.
4, 2,
So
3.
next question is for yes.
Okay. So if we want to combine hydrogen and chloride, what will be the chemical formula for their combination?
We have to combine
Hydrogen and chlorine.
hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen. Chlorine. HCl.
ठीक है, correct.
Right.
Okay.
So
Now you
much
tell
and-
you tell the combination of hydrogen and sulfur. HCl को क्या बोलेंगे?
HCl hydrochloric acid.
हाँ ठीक है.
Sulfur.
Hydrogen sulfur. Give it to him also. सबको दे दे. ये same question आ गया ना.
Carbon and chlorine.
And you?
Sodium and magnesium and chloride.
Chlorine.
Chlorine, sorry.
Your was right. You got 1 marks.
Magnesium and chlorine.
Who was done to they tell me. Good. Everybody is trying. Yes.
CaCl2.
Ca.
Cl2.
CA थोड़ी बोला था. कैल्शियम बोला था.
Calcium.
ठीक है.
Calcium. Yes, he's right. 1 marks for him.
Correct.
Time over.
H2S.
Okay, correct.
Okay.
H2S को क्या बोलेंगे? What we will say that? Name उसका.
Hydrogen sulfur.
Sulfide.
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 Okay.
MgCl2.
ठीक है.
MgCl2. Okay. Everybody is right. Good. Yes. This everybody give marks. Okay. है ना देखा common question is there. Electron distribution you can give to anyone.
Same this one, this type of
हाँ electronic distribution.
configuration.
हाँ हाँ वही configuration या electron distribution of different elements.
Okay.
Electronic distribution of
Sodium.
sodium U. 2. इसको दे दे इकट्ठे दे दे. Yes.
अच्छा. Sodium, potassium,
Chlorine.
chlorine, and oxygen.
Write down electron. Done. Show me copy. Show the copy. What is the atomic number of chlorine? Give him 0. So simple, and you did it wrong.
Electron distribution.
In the K shell, in the L shell, in the M shell. So simple. Done.
In first cell 2, second 8, third 8, fourth 1.
What is that? What are you talking?
Potassium
What is the atomic number of potassium?
19.
19. So count it. Count it. Count it. Idiot. And first 2.
First 2, 18.
So you said 4.
Oh, no.
You said 4.
नहीं
1 only you said.
one last one बोले.
You 1 said. Okay, that's okay. Give him marks 1. Yours is right. देखो, what is the atomic number of this idiot has done sodium? 2. In second, it is 2 comes. Second shell.
8.
Wrong. Give him 0. Kunal, give him 0. And yours is? You don't know, idiot? Atomic number of oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen. 8. Number of tuitions you are attending, idiot. You don't know anything. First element 2. How many are remaining? 2 and 6 is electron distribution. Give him 0. एक और दे 4. अभी they understood.
Money left.
Money is done. Give marks to him, whosoever wants to. After completion of this, how many marks? Yes. Fast, don't waste time.
6. Baljinder.
Naam.
Manit 4.
Five.
Okay. So now nitrogen हुआ था नहीं?
पढ़ रहे हैं.
Nitrogen,
Give him big. Give
magnesium,
magnesium. Till 20.
sulfur,
Sulfur.
calcium.
Calcium. Okay. पढ़ने की आदत तो डाल दी है मैंने, है ना? तो you can imagine the level of the students, okay, the government school students. लिख के बता, don't ask me atomic number. If you ask atomic number, the question is
First is aluminium or magnesium.
no, that also I will not tell. So till 30, so you must know. This will go in YouTube.
Mine is aluminium.
Yes.
Aluminium था magnesium.
Magnesium.
See your level. You don't know atomic number of nitrogen. What is that?
So the atomic number of nitrogen is
Shame. Okay, you're right. इसका magnesium. ओए, इसका give him 2 marks. ओए, 0 marks for Anukalp. ओए, give Anukalp 0 marks. Yes, Manit. What is your atomic number? Atomic number पता नहीं तेरे को sulfur का. You are always roaming here and there near that one table, periodic table. Yes, 0 marks for this. Atomic number of calcium is 20. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. Okay, now show me. Now it is okay, but you got the 0. After completion of this, whom got more?
Baljinder 7.
Manit 4.
2 only.
After 2 and this 1 he has not counted.
3 हो गया. Content 3. Yes.
अनुकल्प के.
Yankalp 4, 5.
5.
Okay. Give compound combination एक बार फिर से दे देते हैं, the compound. है ना? Is it a good game? You'll come to know. This is what I am saying. When you're sitting together, you'll come to know, fight together. Yeah.
Aluminium and oxygen. Calcium and oxygen. Carbon and chloride.
Electron distribution oil.
नहीं.
Chemical combination.
Formula. You have to, you know that cross करके you have to combine. Sodium and sodium.
ये वाला दे दूँ?
हाँ ये दे दे. Calcium and hydrox. OH. Calcium and OH. Suryansh level is good only because of that he has left his class long back. He knows how to frame. Reason for that I used to sit him with that. पढ़ रहे हैं यार, पढ़ रहे हैं. मैंने उसको ड्यूटी लगाई है. बेचारा मैं पढ़ रहे हैं बेटा.
Calcium and oxygen. Ca2O.
Okay, you're right.
CA2O.
Ca2O.
Al2O3.
Al2O3, okay.
हाँ तो
Yours is wrong, but no, you'll not get next chance. CCl
carbon chloride.
बस
Cl2.
Ca2OH4.
Ca2
OH4.
ठीक, मतलब इसको शॉर्टेस्ट में कर देना.
यू शॉर्ट करना था ना. जस्ट शो मी, विल गेट ए हाफ मार्क्स फॉर इट. ओके, ये है ना Ca2 व्हेन इट इज ए 2:4 1 and 2. Ca2OH ऐसे नहीं लिखना साथ में, ठीक है, लाइक दिस ब्रैकेट. CaOH2 इज द फॉर्मूला. गॉट इट बेटा? हाफ गिव हाफ मार्क्स टू हिम. बस ही इज ट्राइड. कर लिया काउंट आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस? हाउ मच
Baljinder
मार्क्स?
7.
Money 4.
Kunal 3.5.
Anukul 5.
6.
Am I right?
This was half. Mine was right, na?
Mine.
6 marks. Okay. So almost done. Anything left?
Formula, unit mass.
You can directly ask the formula of compounds which are there in that. So all formulas you can ask from this chapter. He is going to ask you all the formulas. जितने भी formula you can ask in this chapter directly, not making.
Formula नहीं, mass. I am asking the mass of the compounds.
Okay, चल give them mass of compound. Yes. Atomic mass of compound.
HNO3 का बताना.
HNO3.
You tell of water.
You got very simple. Water.
You tell about Na2O.
NO2 and you
Calcium chloride. CaCl2.
CaCl2. For that you know atomic mass of all the elements. Cl2 का पता ना, क्लोरीन का atomic mass पता है तेरे को?
Yes, sir. Calcium 20 and chlorine 5.
है atomic number नहीं, atomic mass, idiot. Calcium atomic mass is calcium and one more is then isomer or isotope? He's right. Good. I'll give you chlorine atomic mass is 35.5
हाँ यही है.
and calcium atomic mass is 40. Okay, now you can find. तेरे को नहीं किसी एक एलिमेंट का atomic mass चाहिए, पता ना? You know that. Okay.
Ammonium.
What is the which ammonium तो दिया ही नहीं तेरे को.
HNO3.
HNO3.
HNO3 ना. Hydrogen atomic mass is
1.
हाँ. Nitrogen is
Oh, okay.
14.
Yes.
Oxygen is
Oxygen 8. Atomic number?
Atomic mass.
Atomic mass.
तेरे मुंह पे मारूंगा खींच के.
Atomic mass.
Idiot कहीं का. निकाल टोपी अपने थोड़ी अंदर से. Let the sunlight come in your head. ऐसे बढ़िया साइंस देख ले, बहुत बढ़िया साइंस. मतलब इम्प्रूवमेंट इज देयर. अभी ये जो कुणाल है, इज वेरी कैजुअल अबाउट इट. मन इज गॉट अ वेरी गुड ब्रेन.
93.
चेक इट. कैलकुलेशन देखो यार, क्या किया, किसके किया तूने? व्हाट हैव यू डन? देखो व्हाट ही हैज डन.
ठीक.
ओए देखो, ही हैज यूज्ड दैट BODMAS रॉन्ग. सी 14 + 16 इसने पहले प्लस कर दिया. 16 3 जो 48 + 14 + 1. समझ आया?
अगला करके कर देना डायरेक्ट.
तेरे को किस 16 को किसके थे? इन दोनों का 3 था या इसका अकेले का था? अंकल पढ़ना शुरू कर दे. माँ को बाप को अपने बेवकूफ़ बना सकता, मुझे नहीं. तेरे से मैंने कई चारे हैं बंदे. तेरी मम्मी ताइयों कहते भी इन मुर्गा तू ही काबू कर सकते हो.
सोडियम का 16 थोड़ी होता है.
सोडियम का 16 माय डियर. एटॉमिक नंबर सोडियम इज 11. एटॉमिक मास इज 23. 23 2 जा 46 प्लस दैट.
ऑक्सीजन का भी कर देना.
ऑक्सीजन आल्सो इज रॉन्ग. 8.
16.
चल 16. क्लियर नाउ? शैल आई गिव यू 1 मार्क्स? कितने हुए टोटल? रो के मत दिखाया कर, काम करके दिखाया कर. मार्क्स बलजिंदर ना नेम.
Baljinder 8.
हाँ यस.
Money 4.
Kunal 3.5.
Is
ए
8 or 7.
से लाउडली.
7.
हाँ 7. दिस टाइम तो ही डिडंट, ही इज रॉन्ग.
6 only.
6 only. Are you sleeping? Fool. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख, फिर कोई और 4 दे. ऐसे बढ़ता है लेवल, और कैसे बढ़ता है बेटा?
ओके.
अभी आप जितना मेरे को गालियाँ निकाल लो, एक टाइम आएगा देन यू विल से कि वो ठीक था गंजा भाई. Ida mada nahi.
C2H6.
C2H6. Hey, what is C2H6?
C carbon.
C2H6? ये कौन सा कंपाउंड है? You are giving. अच्छा.
इसमें है लिखा हुआ.
Ethane, ethene, my dear.
इथेन है.
C2. हाँ, yes. Ethane. Sorry. Yes.
C2H6. You tell about K2CO3. Zinc oxide.
ZNO. ZNO हुआ ना?
हाँ.
So simple. ZN का पता ही नहीं होगा एटॉमिक मास पता?
ये बता दूंगा साथ में. CO2.
CO2. ओए तेरा CO2.
जिंक का 65 है, लिख लो सारे. सोडियम का 23, पोटेशियम का 39, कार्बन का 12, ऑक्सीजन का 16.
ओके क्लियर है. अब मास बनाओ.
Potassium 39.
हाँ.
ये तो इट्स बेटर आइडिया देन माइन. सूर्यांश खुद को ऐसे ही एनालाइज करना है यार व्हेन यू स्टडी. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके गुड शाबाश.
ठीक है.
30. ओए काउंट +1 इसके कर. अब इसका भी मार्क्स निकाल अगेन.
जिंक ऑक्साइड है ना. हाँ ठीक है.
ओके
ठीक है.
138. All are right. Let's wait for him. और पढ़ाई मैंने कहा यही तो कराना बस. और क्या पढ़ना तुमने खुद है. ओके यू हैव टू स्टडी योरसेल्फ. सी राइट. शो मी. कम एंड शो.
ऐड करना है इसको.
क्या करता है यार. व्हाट द हेल आर यू डूइंग. गिव मी रेड पेन. गिव मी रेड पेन. कुणाल. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. व्हाट इज द मास कार्बन? 12.
Mass of nitrogen.
Oxygen is what? 16 into 2. 12 plus 32. It becomes 44. This is the atomic mass. Right? Marks पे दे दिए पिछले क्वेश्चन. You got give 0 marks for him. Now finally, let's see who came first. Baljinder got first position.
Baljinder got 9.
How got?
9.
9 out of?
9 out of
How many questions were asked?
12.
12. And second is? Manit. Manit, how much?
Manit 5 out of 12.
5 out of 12. I think it's third. Ankalp.
Kunal.
Ankalp, how much? 7.
अभी सही था ना.
Now
This was no, it was added. That is why.
sir no. 6 then 7.
Then
Now 7. It was 6 only. Ankalp got second position. You got
Third.
third. 6.
5.
5. Less, very less. And you got? Hey, how much he got?
3.5.
3.5. Last position.